So you got the number. You're ready to make that first call. But wait, what if I botch the call? What if I say the wrong thing? Oh God, what if I call and she actually picks up the phone? In this video, we are going to talk about a few mental tricks to stay calm, as well as some reasons why talking to a girl, though it can be scary, it's really not half as big a deal as most guys make it out to be. I admit it. In the past, when I used to make the first call to the girl, I used to panic. I used to get sweaty palms. I even used to pretend that the phone lost connection and I actually hung up when she answered. In fact, I was so bad with this that I actually used to let the phone ring twice and then hang up. When you go to make that call, I want you to try this mental trick to relax your mind a little bit. So imagine that you've already made the call and it was a great conversation. Imagine she was laughing the whole way through and you both had an absolutely fantastic time during the call. Next, I want you to understand a very vital piece of information about women. They're humans too. If you think all the pressure is only on you during that first call, no. So don't worry so much about saying the wrong thing. In fact, trust yourself. If you know from past experiences that you tend to respect a person, you tend to respect women when you're talking to them, odds are you're probably not going to say the wrong thing during this conversation. Remember to make her laugh during the call. Humor is probably the best icebreaker that you're ever going to come across. And it puts you in a good light for her wanting to have future conversations with you. If you notice your voice start to get a little bit shaky, that's fine. It's perfectly normal. Just take a deep breath and let it out slowly. And you know what? It even helps to take a deep breath just before you make the call to help kind of put yourself at a calmer state before picking up the phone. I am going to let you know you will get cotton mouth. So prepare for that. Have a glass of water close by so that when your mouth starts getting that dryness, you just grab the glass of water. Try not to have the phone like right there as you're, because then she's going to hear you glugging and that's going to be real, okay, what's going on the other end of the line? Above all, don't put so much pressure on this one call. I know, it seems like this is the last girl that you're ever going to have a chance to speak with and you must make this work and this is your only shot, but relax. In fact, don't even talk to her like she's somebody that you're trying to get a date with. Talk to her like she's an old friend and you two are just catching up. Make it kind of just nonchalant, very cash. Energy is contagious. And yes, even through the phone. If you feel like there's a lot of pressure on the call and you feel like you're not very calm, you're not very relaxed, it's going to actually transmit over the wires, or signal in today's world, and she's going to start feeling pressure and she's not going to feel calm, and that's going to create unnecessary pressure in the call. In conclusion, focus on having a great conversation rather than getting the girl to fall in love with you on the first call. Just treat her like she's an old friend. And you know what? You can always move up from that position. You can always start as I'm just talking to you like a friend and move up to relationship status in the future. Now notice I did not say stay in the friend zone. Eventually, maybe not on the first call, but eventually down the line you do want to make your interests known. Relax. It's only a girl we're talking to. Relax, breathe, water, have fun. You can't go wrong. And that's the tip for this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share with your friends, and there's a big announcement this week. So, roughly within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to finally have my website up. And you're going to have access to some of the courses that I've been creating and also the one-on-one coaching that I do. So stay tuned for that. And as always, get out there and ace it.